Everyone, in this video we will show you how to change your name in VRChat. If you want to update your display name in VRChat, you can do it from your account settings on the official VRChat website. Keep in mind that changing your display name does not change your username, and your new name must follow VRChat's community guidelines. Now let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the official VRChat website. Sign into your VRChat account using your username or email address and password. Once you're logged in, go to your account settings page. Here, find the display name section. Enter the new display name you want to use. Now type the same display name again to confirm it. Before submitting, double check your spelling to make sure your new name is exactly how you want it to appear. Then click Save or Update to apply the changes. Keep in mind that your display name must be between 4 and 15 characters long. Your new display name must also be unique. If another user is already using that name, you'll need to choose a different one. Remember that changing your display name does not change your original VRChat username. Your username will always remain the same. Also, make sure your new display name follows the VRChat community guidelines. Names that contain offensive language, inappropriate content, or attempt to impersonate another person are not allowed. Finally, you can only change your display name once every 90 days or once every 30 days if you have a VRC Plus subscription. Choose your new name carefully before saving it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.